Right, I'm just checking on my cucumbers in the polytunnel, and this one is a new variety which I've not tried before. It's called Swing F1. It's an all-female variety, and it produces cucumbers, more of a kind of snack variety really, 6 to 8 inches long. I may have cut this one a little bit early, but you can see it's a little bit spiny. But it's been quite prolific already. I mean, it's June the 10th, and I've got sort of 4 at the bottom already. Cut a couple off already, and there you can see one flowering, and you can see the baby cucumber forming behind the flower. So you'll get lots of these on this all-female flowering variety, which I tend to grow, rather than ones with male flowers as well. The male flowers, if you have a variety like that, it won't have the little bulge at the bottom of the flower like this one. It will on the female flowers, but not on the male flowers. So there's plenty more to come on this. You can see the baby fruit just emerging there. I've sunk my pots into the polytunnel soil. The polytunnel soil isn't that brilliant, so this has got multi-purpose compost in, and I plunged the pot into the soil basically so I can get a little bit more height without the canes hitting the roof of the polytunnel. And I shall feed this now. I've started feeding it once it started to flower with tomato food. So you can do the same, with cucumbers as you do with tomatoes. Just feed with a high potash feed about once a week, and as it grows, train it up and along, and at the base you might want to cut some of the leafage off, particularly if it's getting particularly long, and what you want to do is energy to go into the cucumber fruit itself rather than into all the leaves. But this one is growing quite nicely. It's grown very fast. The hot weather in May did something, because it just shot up in about 3 weeks and started to produce flowers and fruit very quickly. So if you're looking for a kind of smaller snack type cucumber, this is Swing F1.